I felt real lousy about Hennessy. Last weekend I went to Rowena's again. She didn't even remember me. She acted like I was a total stranger. I told her about Hennessy, doing it with another guy and maybe getting 5 years in jail. And she said, well, I don't have too much sympathy for their kind, sweetheart. They're just taking the bread out of the mouths of my babies. I'm never going to pay for it again. It just cheapens the whole idea of sex. I was determined to meet the perfect girl. I knew just what she would be like. Oh, she's going to be pretty, but not too beautiful. When they're too beautiful, they love them first and you second. She'll be athletic. Oh, someone I can hit fly balls to and she'll catch all of them. And she'll love to go to the movies and read books and see plays. And we'll never run out of conversation. She's out there. I know it. Right now, the girl I'm going to fall in love with is walking around New York, or Boston, or Philadelphia, walking around the streets, not even knowing I'm alive. It's crazy. Here I am, and there she